Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Moby Star Wars, the Book of Boba Fett Apple Watch and Android-based watch wristbands. You can download up to 20 watch faces for free with the Moby Fox app. They have tons and tons of different characters' watch bands. I like these two. This one is the Darth Vader, which I'm wearing now, also by Moby Fox. And you have this Boba Fett one, which is cool. They have several Boba Fetts and several of these. Darth Vader. They have one in leather as well for Darth Vader, black leather. And you have extra lugs here. It fits the Apple Watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and SE, probably the 7 as well. 38, 40, 42, and 44 millimeter watches. And it fits most Android smartwatches as well. I've been wearing it for about a week, and I like the soft touch silicone. It's also UV resistant for both, so it shouldn't wear off if you wear it outside, which is nice. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up. Here's the view of the back side here. It says Boba Fett, Star Wars, and this one. So it has different insignias and logos as well.